Hello guys and welcome back to this brand new video. I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram automatically closes in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do first is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Right here on this page you will find many apps. Click on Instagram, click here on this force stop option in the top. Go down to the data usage option, scroll down, make sure to enable all the options like this and those background data and roaming data. Everything should be enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on this option right here to clear this number of the data. Click on clear data. Now go back, go to the home page. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved easily and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video.